Hey guys, I'm here with your vocab. This week we only have 3 words we're going to talk about. First, I just kind of want to touch on our learning target. I will go over this in another video too, but I just kind of wanted to type it out. Our learning target is I can use a model to explain how systems interact. Okay, so basically we're going to be focusing on the human body for the most part, and how our systems interact with each other, and how they're able to maintain a balance with one another. So when we do our characteristics of living things worksheet, we talked about homeostasis. Homeostasis is how our body is able to maintain a balance. So think of like a seesaw. Okay, if it's in the middle, it's balanced. If it's tilted to one side or the other side, we have an imbalance. So we're going to be talking about homeostasis for a majority of this unit, so it's important that you guys know what this word means. Okay, so homeostasis is the ability to maintain a stable equilibrium. Okay, now equilibrium means you basically think of it as equal. So like that seesaw, having it completely balanced, not more on one side than the other. So our body works to maintain this stable equilibrium constantly. It's constantly regulating our temperature, our blood pressure, things like that. So that we're going to be talking about a lot of those types of things through this unit. Our body does this by carrying out negative feedback. Okay, so negative feedback, you may think that that's bad, but it's actually really good. If our body didn't do negative feedback, we would have problems all the time. We would be sick. We would never be healthy. So if you look at this picture right here, we have our normal person, and then we have 2 situations. So our body temperature decreases. So think of you getting cold. Your body will start to shiver. Okay, it's creating a heating mechanism in order to warm up your body. So then your body temperature increases and it goes back to normal. So a negative feedback loop actually works to kind of regulate or keep that stable equilibrium. Now if our body temperature increases, like if you're working out or you're outside in a really hot day like today, you're going to sweat, okay? Then that's going to allow your body to cool off. So it's a cooling mechanism. It's a cooling system our body has built in order to decrease our temperature. Okay, so our negative feedback, we're going to write down how our body maintains stable equilibrium. Okay, you could also say something like how our body responds to the external environment. Okay, so things around it, how our body kind of reacts to that. Positive feedback, you think positive, you think good, but actually positive feedback is really bad. Positive feedback, I'm just going to give you some examples. I'm not going to put a full-on definition on here, but it's when your body becomes sick. It's not able to fight off or get rid of what's going on. It's not able to maintain that stable balance. Some examples would be like cancer. Okay, we have uncontrolled. I can't spell today. Cell growth. So the cells are continually growing, but the body can't get rid of them fast enough. So that's why. So cancer is just rapidly dividing cells, and our body can't fight that off. Another example would be like pregnancy. Okay, if someone's pregnant, the body has to change in order to not like get rid of. When you have a baby, like your body has to change. It has to expel certain hormones. It's not normal for someone to be pregnant, so your body has to kind of change and adapt and deal with that. Wow, that's nice. Okay. I did want to show you this picture down here. So like I said, homeostasis is like a seesaw. Okay, we have a stimulus, which is something from the outside world that's going to make a change in our body. So whether that's increasing our temperature, whether that's increasing our heart rate during exercise, our body has to kind of have a way to bring that back down, whether that be by sweating or slowing down, breathing, okay, all those types of things. So homeostasis is our body's way of maintaining that stable equilibrium.